How to install Google Sheets in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how to download Google Sheets onto your computer, and you can basically go and use this as its own application. So first, just go and open up a Google Chrome web browser. Now you need to make sure that you're using Google Chrome and not another web browser. Now go and open up the website google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can then click on this square icon in the top right hand side, and then scroll down and open up the Google Sheets. Now from here, click on the three vertical dots, and then you need to scroll down to Cast, Save and Share, and click on Install Page as App. Now go and press Install. So as you can see, this will install the app to your computer. So even if I go and close out of the internet browser, you can see that this is installed as its own application. Now if you open up the Start menu on your PC, you can also search for the word Sheets, and you can now go and open up the application directly from your computer.